Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for regularly visiting my channel and watching the latest videos. I appreciate your support to my channel. We have a dedicated Telegram channel for our subscribers where we discuss on new trading opportunities and clarify queries on trading ideas. If you're interested, I'm leaving the link in the bottom of this video. Use that link to join our Telegram channel. Today I'm going to be doing daily technical analysis on Euro USD. I'm on daily time frame now. As we had analyzed earlier, we have the resistance over here and the support over here. It's still trading within this support and resistance zone in the daily time frame. It is presently traveling on a channel pattern, and internally we have one more diagonal line where the present candlestick took support and started its uptrend. So I'm assuming it is actually an uptrend to test this support and resistance area, and also to test this dynamic resistance from the daily time frame. When we analyze the candlestick movement from a daily time frame, it is still on a uptrend. We can see that it started here and no retracement has happened. It is continuously on a uptrend and it is actually continuously trying to test this resistance over here. So it is sort of forming into a consolidation zone. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. As we had analyzed in daily time frame, the candlesticks are moving in a channel pattern, and here it has found resistance, daily time frame resistance, and it has actually bounced back, support over the support line here, and bounced back. Again it's tested on the resistance over here. Now again it has actually retraced back. It is trading within this area. It doesn't want to retrace back below this area here. So we know that it is actually a range bound market. Here also we can notice that it tried to break this dynamic support here, but it took support over the previous high and actually it is retracing back. So as long as this rectangle pattern is not broken, we can say that it is a range bound market. Let's hope that it breaks this resistance over here and starts its uptrend. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. When we analyze the candlesticks movement in 30 minutes time frame, we can notice that candlesticks moves in a pattern. It moves and tests its resistance here, then retraces. Again it is moving on an upside, testing this resistance over here, then again trending back. Again it is starting. I'm hoping it is going to test this resistance over here, daily time frame resistance, and then maybe a trend back. This is what I'm expecting. Let us analyze the trading ranges for today. Since we know that it is a range bound market from hourly time frame, let us mark the trading ranges within this area. So daily resistance, this is going to be the topmost resistance. If it breaks this area, the uptrend is going to start. Presently it is trading within a range. The next resistance is going to be here. Following resistance is going to be here. And presently it is trying to test this resistance over here. And supports are going to be, this is going to be the first support. Next support is going to be over here. And the final support is here. So since this is a range bound market, let us wait and see which way the market moves, based on which we can analyze the new trading targets for tomorrow. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you can get instant notification on my new video updates.